DeepSeek, a Chinese-made artificial intelligence model, has recently taken the world by storm, climbing to the top of the Apple Store's downloads and causing a massive stir in the tech industry. Released on January 20th, it quickly captured the attention of AI enthusiasts and soon the global tech community. Even US President Donald Trump referred to it as a wake-up call for American companies to focus on competing to win. What's remarkable about DeepSeek is its claim that it was built at a fraction of the cost compared to industry giants like OpenAI. DeepSeek's developers say they spent just $6 million on training their AI model, a stark contrast to the hundreds of millions, or even billions, that major players like OpenAI typically invest in developing their AI technologies. While leading AI models are powered by advanced chips, DeepSeek is said to use fewer chips, which raised eyebrows in the tech world. The result? NVIDIA, a chip-making titan, lost almost $600 billion in market value in a single day, the largest one-day loss in US history. But DeepSeek's rise is also tied to the ongoing tech rivalry between the US and China. Despite the US government's efforts to limit China's access to advanced chips, including a ban on NVIDIA's A100 chips, DeepSeek's success challenges these restrictions. China, under President Xi Jinping's leadership, has made AI a top priority, and DeepSeek represents part of China's move away from traditional manufacturing toward advanced technologies like AI, chips, and electric vehicles. Behind DeepSeek is Liang Wenfeng, a Chinese entrepreneur who founded the company in December 2023. Liang is no typical Silicon Valley figure. With a background in both computer science and finance, he also runs a hedge fund called High Flyer, which uses AI for quantitative trading. In 2019, High Flyer became the first Chinese quant hedge fund to raise over 100 billion yuan, a significant milestone. Liang has been vocal about China's need to stop being a follower in the AI industry, aiming for originality rather than imitation. He believes that DeepSeek's success is a sign that China can innovate, not just copy. DeepSeek's rise has created waves, particularly in the US. It challenges the belief that only massive budgets and top-tier chips can drive AI progress. The company's ability to create high-tech AI with fewer resources has raised questions about the future of high-performance chips. For instance, NVIDIA, a leader in AI chips, saw its stock plunge 17% after DeepSeek's success was made public, marking a dramatic shift in the market. The AI industry is now facing uncertainty about whether huge investments in computing infrastructure are still necessary. The global market reacted with a sell-off in tech stocks. The Nasdaq fell over 3%, with NVIDIA and other chip makers taking the hardest hits. Oof! Companies like Meta and Alphabet, which have invested billions into AI, also saw their stock prices drop. This sudden shift raised doubts about the US's lead in the AI race, while DeepSeek's breakthrough may be seen as a challenge to American tech dominance. The full implications are still unclear. Some experts argue that DeepSeek's success could change the way AI models are built, potentially offering a cheaper, more efficient alternative to the expensive infrastructure currently required by companies like OpenAI, Google, and Meta. However, while DeepSeek has been hailed as a major advancement, it's important to note that it isn't yet at the level of artificial general intelligence, AGI, the kind of AI that can truly reason and learn autonomously. That's the ultimate goal for companies like OpenAI, but DeepSeek's R1 model proves that a powerful AI can be developed with far fewer resources, offering a potential shift in the AI landscape. DeepSeek's rise also highlights the growing influence of Chinese tech companies, and it's also sparking discussions about the role of censorship in AI development. DeepSeek is heavily censored in China, avoiding sensitive topics like Tiananmen Square or the Xinjiang region. The chatbot's behavior mirrors the restrictions seen in other Chinese tech platforms like TikTok and RedNote, where certain topics are off-limits. This has raised concerns globally about the ethical implications of using AI tools that follow government censorship policies. Still, many users outside of China have noted that the version of DeepSeek available to them is less restrictive and more open to discussing sensitive issues. What makes DeepSeek truly stand out, aside from its low development cost, is its ability to deliver complex reasoning, especially in tasks like mathematics and coding. It's been praised for tackling challenging problems that usually require immense computational resources. DeepSeek claims it took just 2 months and $6 million to develop the model, a small fraction of what other companies spend on their AI models. Pretty impressive, right? However, despite its breakthroughs, DeepSeek still faces skepticism. It's yet to prove its capabilities in a broader industrial context and hasn't reached the level of self-improving AI that some US companies are aiming for. But the impressive cost-to-performance ratio has undoubtedly changed the conversation about AI development, forcing the industry to reconsider the resources required to advance AI technology. DeepSeek's rise is a game-changer in the world of AI. It challenges the current dominance of US companies, offers a cheaper alternative to traditional AI development, and highlights the ongoing technological rivalry between China and the US. While its long-term impact remains to be seen, DeepSeek's success is undoubtedly shaking up the tech world, and it may set the stage for a new era of more cost-effective, efficient AI models. Only time will tell whether this breakthrough will lead to sustained innovation, or if it will be seen as just another flash in the pan.